Ladies and gentlemen, members of the press, we thank you for your services, and we also thank you for once again joining us to amplify our voice. As you can see, we are late. We have not yet set off for our next activities in Rwampara and in Ntungamo because our leadership team had gone to the police to ascertain the situation and to follow up on our comrades that were arrested yesterday. As you are all aware that as time goes by, the regime increases violence and lawlessness. Yesterday, more than 100 of our comrades were arrested as we headed to Wiziwera for our rally. Many of them were beaten, were tortured, and they are detained. They were arrested more than 100 of our friends, and the biggest percentage of them are those from Barara, from Ankole, from Western Uganda. Among the people arrested are even our candidates. For example, our woman MP candidate for Rwampara district, her name is Sarah Chichoncho. She's in detention. Our MP for Rwampara East, called Muyambi Jean, is also at the police. And also our MP for Bukanga North, Comrade Chihembo Emmanuel, is also under arrest. And many others, the foot soldiers and other leaders at lower levels, are in detention. As you media people saw, they are in cells, but they are on handcuffs. They've told us they spent the night on handcuffs. Many were beaten for no reason whatsoever. We are told, and I mean, besides this, you remember that 10 of our comrades were arrested and they were remanded in Lira. And then the day we came to Mbarara, 20 of our comrades were arrested and they were remanded in Chiruhura. Now these ones were accused of assaulting the people who attacked us. All of you were watching when goons dressed in yellow t-shirts with Museveni's picture, holding Museveni's posters, came and attacked us with sticks and stones, and they were being protected by the police. But when we got here, we were raided, more than 20 of our comrades were arrested, and now they are instead being charged for assaulting the people that attacked us. Meanwhile, the police has not said anything about the people that attacked us. We condemn this behavior. We also continue to call out Mr. Ryabakama and the Electoral Commission to pronounce themselves on these illegalities that are ongoing. We know that the regime is doing this to intimidate us, to cut our speed, and to derail us. They don't want us to campaign, especially in the Western region, particularly in Ankole. They were shocked and embarrassed by the love and massive support that we received in Barara, following their tribal propaganda and trying to divide the people of Uganda along tribal lines. We thank the people of Barara, the people of Ankole, including the people of Isinjiro, where we went and we got massive welcome. We also got massive welcome in Kazo, and the people in Chiruhura also welcomed us, even though they were being gravely intimidated. Now, because we know that they are trying to stop us, they're trying to cut our speed, and yet we promise the people of Uganda that we shall reach them under whatever circumstances. From here, we are proceeding. We are going to Rwampara, and we are also going to Ntungamo. Even though our candidates for these constituencies are in illegal detention, we are going to represent them, we are going to campaign for them, and we are going to set stage for them. For as soon as they come out of illegal detention, they will carry on from there. Thank you very much. SG, maybe our spokesperson now was up on Yamboku Bitom Nyankolo. In Bazenga Borukanda, Ruganda Tibakumanya. Abasebo ne banyabo atube bazabana mawulire abasigadde nga muli naffe bamongera eddoboozi lyaffe. Tuluddewo okusimbula wano okugenderwa Mpala n'Entungamo nga bwe mwalabye olunaku lwajjo twalumbiddwa nga tugenda e Bwiziwera okukampeininga ne bakwata abantu baffe abasusse mu 1,000. nga mwabo mwabadde ne bakandidates baffe bakandidate ab'ebitundu eby'Erwampala. Kandidate waffe owa Woman MP Erwampala district bamukutte Sarah Kichoncho ali mukomera. Kandidate waffe owa Rwampala East gwe bayita Muyambi Jean naye bamukomera. Kandidate waffe owa Bukanga North Chihembo Emmanuel naye bamukutte ali mukomera. Ne bakandidate abalala ku level ya kansala ne level endala eza wansi bakutte ba foot soldiers bangi, bakutte ba member baffe bangi nnyo. Mu bantu abasukka mu 10 bakutte abasinga obungi bawano bembalala bamwankole. Tukimanyi nti bagezaako tusala speed. Ate kino kigoberedde era okutulumba ne bakwata abantu baffe 10 babasibiralira. Then olunaku lwe twajja mujjukira mwenna nti twalumbibwa abavubuka abaali bakutte emiggo n'amayinja nga bakuumibwa poliisi ne batukuba ne batukolako obulabe. Naye ate ekiro ekyo poliisi nejja netulumbagana nekwata abantu baffe abasuka 20 ne batwala ne bagulako omusango ogw'okulumbagana abatulumba. Kati poliisi ekikyusa ate negamba ffe twabalumbagana. Simanyi oba poliisi ya Uganda itegeeza nti bwe tugenda mu kitundu campaigninga tuba tulumbaganye abaayo abatakkiriziganya naffe. Abaganda baffe abo babalimandinze ekiruhula naye kwe tukyagenda mu maaso. Olunaku lwa leero amawulire n'abakulembeze baffe bava ku poliisi okulaba embeera bannaffe gye balimu, naye babadde mu buduukulu naye nga bali ku mpingo. Yabategeezeza gye basuse ku mpingo ekintu ekimenya amateeka. Twongera okwowola mwami Byabakama muveeyo mutegeeze oba kuno kulonda oba si kulonda, kubanga ebikolobero byonna ebitukolebwako musirize. Mwami Byabakama osirise olinga gwe kennyini abiwagira. Poliisi ekola ebikolobero n'amagye naye ng'osirise. Twagala muveeyo mwogere ku bikolobero ebigenda mu maaso. Bwe mutakola kino mwe mubanga abagezaako okutwala ensi yaffe mu matigga. Mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala. Mwogezi waffe ndowooza kabimenyemenyemu mulunyankola. Oya n'omuyimbi waffe bamukutte. What is his stage now? Lauben, brother Lauben yayimbye olunaku lwakyo bamukutte bamulumbye ng'ali ne omukyala gwe yayimba naye madamu ye yabadde asitudde baby naye brother Lauben ne bamukwata ne bamutwala. Tukivumirira and we continue to call for the freedom of brother Lauben, our candidates and all the people that are in illegal detention. Thank you very much. Tebanaba kututegeeza misango gye babaguddeko okuleka bali be basibidde ekiruhula. Bano tebanaba kututegeeza misango gy'abaguddwako.
Just detaining someone on handcuffs is against the law and every officers here. In which way are you protesting that, and how are you helping those people to be helped in that situation?
No, we protest all the impunity and all the illegal actions, all the criminal actions. First of all, it is illegal to stop a presidential candidate from campaigning in any part of Uganda. It is illegal. It is illegal for the police to aid criminals to come and cause harm to a campaign team. It's illegal. It's illegal to torture people. It is illegal to detain them in cells with handcuffs. You notice that impunity is the identity of this regime, and that is why we are fighting. That is why we are in this struggle to bring a Uganda that is administered according to the rule of law. Yes, I'm also reminded to inform you that just this morning, Honorable Senyonyi and Comrade Rubongoya just reminded me. It almost skipped my mind. But this morning we got news, rather pleasant news, that our brothers Bob Njagi and Nicholas Ayo from Kenya have finally been released from illegal detention after 39 days. Now they were abducted. The Uganda police denied them. The courts of law denied them. Actually, the judge is quoted to have said that you cannot be asking for a stone to produce water. Uganda police denied them, government of Uganda denied them, and our brothers in Kenya continued protesting. We continued demanding for them, and eventually after 39 days They were produced by the Ugandan regime and they were dropped at the Kenyan border. Now this speaks of the impunity and the continued enforced disappearances. As we speak right now, Sam Mugumya, who was abducted from here in Mbarara, is still missing. Every institution has denied him, but we know they have him. So you all comrades know what we are fighting for and why we want to end this. So from here, we're heading to Rwampara and Ntungamo. I think that's all for the questions. Yeah, kale bategeza nti bajja bitegeera mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala. Oya lokwalemeddeko nti n'Abannakenya baganda baffe mbyogere mu Luganda. Weewaawo amakya ga leero twafunye amawulire nti baganda baffe Bob Njagi ne Nicholas Oyo Abannakenya abawambibwa nga tuli mu Eastern Uganda nga tu launchinga manifesto yaffe ne babanjibwa ne tubabanja gavumenti ya wano nebeegana, amagye ne geegana nti tegabalina, poliisi neyeegana nti tebalina, ne kooti ne zeegana nti tezibalina. Naye olunaku lwa leero baasuuliddwa ku booda eya Uganda ne Kenya, ekikakasa nti gavumenti ya wano ebadde balina. Ekyo nno kibajjukize nti bantu bangi nnyo babadde nga bawambibwa. Sam Mugumya abamuwamba ne Mbarara wennyini, ne kati ebbanga ligenze talabika, ebitongole byonna byamwegaana. Ennaku 2 emabega twabadde tuziika mukyala Kibalama, Monica Kibalama. Baawe yawambibwa ataddangamu kulabika. Mukyala amaze ebbanga nga banja baawe, naye mukyala naye yasangiddwa nga afudde mu ngeri etategerekeka. Ebyo byonna bibitulwanya era tujja kuwangula.